All right. Our next one is May the 17th, and that's the relational field. So May 17th, the relational field. Like, relational field.
Yeah. Well, you see, the big challenge is we don't understand how much our fixated mind rules our whole idea of relationship and what we think we're going to get out of it and what we even think relationship is. But if you take it all seriously, the spiritual cliche that all is one, what the hell is relationship? If all is one, then who is my boyfriend or who is my girlfriend? Who is my kid? Right? We have all these assumptions about identities. One element of the Enneagram, which comes from the teachings about the holy ideas, but is not only about that, it has to do with what the diagram shows us, the law of three, many things, helps us see and to deconstruct in a certain way our fixated ideas about relationship, which opens us up to the possibility of actually appearing in a living field of relatedness, because the true non-duality has all these different elements in it that are all in dynamic living relatedness, not just with other people, but with other life, with the cosmos, with everything. It's a journey into the living universe. So that's what we'll be looking at in that session.
Wow, living universe. Sign me up. So that is May 17th at 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time.